So getting back to that, sorry about the interruption there. Whoops. So getting back to the cord here again, if you actually look, this thing would never focus, of course. But if you notice, look at how flexible it is. Now, mind you, we just did this with MapGas. Okay. Notice that there's no cracking. It'll focus. No cracking, no nothing. Still like it was just like it rolled out of the box. Like I said there again, it just discolored it. That's all it did. Didn't even phase it. Look at it. I can still pull on that thing. So I mean, like I said there again, if you're looking for a power cord, this is Tesla True Power Cord, Tesla AV True Power Cord. This concludes our flame test. Any questions? Give us a call, we can answer. Otherwise, signing out.